Here are some birds for color comparison. We have a Recessive yellow over there. He's an older breeding cockbird from, he's one of my breeders from 2018. The young classical almond cockbird. They have a young Recessive red cockbird from this year. So I just want to take a video to compare the color, the richness of these birds. You know, if you look at the colors, they're so nice and bright and shiny. They have really nice, deep, rich yellow and red without any, you know, any kind of like ash pattern on their rump or tails. They're deep, deep, rich Recessive red and Recessive yellow. All these are cockbirds. They all are young birds except the Recessive yellow. He's one of my breeders from 2018. So he's a little bit bigger. The rest of them are pretty smaller. Here's another young Recessive red cockbird from this year. Here's another Recessive red cockbird from this year. And if you want to create a classical almond, you need Recessive red kite and the strip almond. So these Recessive reds play a big part. You can even use Recessive yellows and make them dilute almonds. I don't have any kite cockbirds. I have kite hens, but I don't want to throw any hens in here because all these cockbirds are separated from hens and they might try to really rough her up. So I just thought about doing a quick video to, you know, compare these colors. Got a Recessive yellow, classical almond, and a Recessive red. So another nice cockbird over there. And from right next to the tree, you can see that they almost look like really golden yellow in color, and that's red. If you pay attention, they all have pearl eyes. And the almond also has pearl eyes. They all have the same color. They all are ready to mate. I don't have any extra hens, so I keep. I've kept like 80% of my birds are separated from hens and cocks. Anyway, I thought about doing a quick video about these recessive reds, yellows, and almonds. I think this is one of the most youngest ones, and he's a late hatch from this year, but he finished molt and he's looking nice. I almost thought that was a hen, but just my luck, it turned to be a cockbird.